Ronald Bert Smith, Jr. was convicted of capital murder after killing Huntsville store clerk Casey Wilson back in 1994. He was put to death this Thursday in Alabama. Witnesses described how 13 minutes into his lethal injection, he started heaving and coughing, and that it took him 30 minutes to fully pass. A police official had to perform 2 consciousness checks during Smith's legal injection. A consciousness test involves them saying their name, pinching their left arm, and brushing their eyelashes. Jeff Dunn, Alabama Corrections Commissioner, stated, "We do know we followed our protocol. We are absolutely convinced of that."